Yo, alright. My mic was tripping, but y'all can hear me now. I'm just waiting for a break in structure in 1 minute to go back in the up direction. My damn camera dark as fuck. I got you. I'm gonna add a new one. Call that bitch. My bad. I had to fart. Yeah, this shit don't look like it's going back up, so we about to go look for a different trade, but ain't shit like for the past couple of days, ain't shit been doing what it's supposed to been doing. Like that's straight, that's solid. Okay. Like this is just like any other fucking trade. We got a weekly break, daily break right here. We did have this daily retracement, but we got this daily swing, 4 hour swing, got a break. 1 hour got a break. 4 hour swing is still in a downtrend, but we got a 4 hour break to the upside. We got a 1 hour break to the upside. We got a 30-minute break to the upside. We got a 15-minute break to the upside. I don't know if y'all can see that. These are all breaks, though. Break. Now we just waiting for that 5 minute. Well, 5 minute did get a break, and we got that retracement. So from this retracement to this break, I'm gonna show y'all what we was connected to. So from here to here, here to here, we were connected to the 15, and that's why I was interested in taking this trade. I just had to wait for a break of structure on the 1 minute. And Forex pairs move a little bit slower. That's what they do. They just tend to move a little bit slower. Hopefully we still get that set up before 10 o'clock though. Gold didn't look bad. Gold actually was going to be the first trade that I took, but we ended up getting a break of structure on the 15 after getting a 30-minute retracement, right? I think it was a 30-minute retracement. No, it was just a 15-minute retracement. So we ended up getting a 15-minute retracement right here. I woke up at 6, seeing that we had that 15-minute retracement and it was clear. We had that 15-minute retracement. It was clear. We had a 5-minute break. We did end up getting another 5-minute retracement, went up, and then came back down, got another 5-minute retracement. So we had 2 5-minute retracements within inside of this 15-minute swing. I did not like that. So, because that 5-minute retracement was supposed to be connected to that 15-minute swing. But if that 5-minute retracement creates another 5-minute retracement, then it's 2 5-minute retracements inside of one 15-minute swing. The shit just don't sit right with me. It's not connected to anything. It's only connected to the 5-minute swing. I don't like that. We ended up getting another 15-minute break right here. If you can see right here, we ended up getting another 15-minute break, but that break was just too sudden. We didn't get anything stronger. And then we got to break back to the upside. We got to break back to the upside. Let's just say we get another retracement though. It still won't add up because let's just say we get another retracement. Boom. Let's just say we got a retracement right here. Boom. This was the last point. We got a retracement, right? On the 15-minute, right? Oh, nah. Never mind. Yeah, nah. It's connected. It's connected. It is connected. So let's just say whenever we get that retracement, if we don't get a retracement or our shit not working over here, we just gonna go to fucking gold. But I mean, anything could happen. For real. Anything can happen. I'm just seeing what is going to happen. That's all. That's all I can do, just to see what is going to happen. Shit. That's all a nigga can do. See what it gonna happen. All a nigga can. That's an uptrend, 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 uptrend. 5 minute. Yeah, we got no retracement. Last retracement was right here. Let's just see if we was to get a 5 minute retracement from right here to the last point of interest right there. Let's see what that's connected to. 15 minutes connected for sure. 30 minute is not connected. So 15 minutes connected. So GJ is looking good. GJ right here. If we get a 5 minute retracement right here, this shit looking good. Then we get a 5 minute break. And then yeah. Y'all know how that shit go. So gold, odd. Ooh, hold up. Oh shit, my baby. What the fuck? This is a trade. This is an entry. That's an entry, bruh. I'm gonna buy that. That's an entry, bro. I'm gonna buy that. And we're gonna put the stop loss right under. We're gonna put the stop loss. Where is the stop loss supposed to be? Right under that swing, right? Right under this swing. So I'm gonna go ahead and. How do I fucking edit this shit? 300, 360. Under this swing, we got that break. Yeah, we should be straight. Yeah, although this trade kind of reminds, although this trade kind of just gives me the vibe that it do want to kind of continue to go down, even though it's telling me it wants to go up off of my setup, I'm still going to take it simply because it's giving me no reason for me not to take this. Even though I feel like it's going to go down, everything is telling me that this shit want to go up. Off of like market structure. Damn, y'all can't see me again. Hopefully y'all just listening. Because yeah, but yeah, y'all just watch that. Let's see. Let's put this exposed a little bit up, a little bit more. Yeah. Ooh, frame rate. Ooh. Hello. Damn, that shit fucking ass. Yeah, y'all gonna have to bear with that. Y'all gonna have to bear with that. But yeah, like I said, let's just watch this motherfucking trade eat. Let's just do that. Alright? Let's just watch that motherfucking trade eat. Alright? That motherfucking do that. That motherfucking do that. Shit, I don't know why I came back to Forex. Okay, another thing, y'all might be like, damn, Zay, you trade Forex? Like, I haven't seen you trade Forex. Like, all I seen you trade was NAS and gold, blah, 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 blah. Yes, y'all, I trade anything that makes sense. Let's just say that. Anything that makes sense, I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be there for it, for sure. It just gotta make sense to me. That's all. That's all. Shit, if gold would have got there before this one, I would have took gold. If gold would have got there before this one, but it didn't. So I took this one. And this one doesn't, I mean, this one like makes sense. Like I said in the beginning, like even though it's telling me it wants to go up, it might feel like it want to go down, but it has not gave me any reason for me to be like, hey, this trade going down. Let me not take it. So we take it. It's 8 o'clock. I got work at 11. So do I want to get into bed, go back to sleep, chat? Or do I want to stay up and play the game until I go to work? I really don't know. But I just kind of wanted to take the trade on stream because I know like that matters. Like, you know, like for y'all to be kind of like watching that. GGA still hasn't gave us a setup. Gold still hasn't gave us a setup. I think Gold is going to give us another setup. I don't think GJ is going to give us a setup simply because, well, GJ has been going up for a while, the whole night, actually throughout London. So we might get that retracement before going back up, but it might be around 10 o'clock. I don't trade then. And Gold already got 2 5-minute retracements. I'm sure we're going to get another retracement off of this 15, but we might, it's literally a possibility that we could just continue to go straight down because of all of that fucking retracement. Like I don't trust it. Here's odd doing what it's supposed to do. And yeah, bro, your setup should play for every fucking chart. Like charts don't change. The only thing that changes is the name. It's kind of like a dollar bill. It's like dollar bills don't change. Like it's still paper. But at the end of the day, you will see that one is valued more than the other, and that's simply because of probably the number, my nigga. And it's the same thing with like names and trading. It's like, yeah, every chart is the same, but every every it depends on what name it is. Every chart is the same, but it depends on what name you trade. Depending on if you trade in a forex pair or a index pair or whatever, that also depends on everything else that falls in line with it, like the speed of it, the quality of it. It's the same thing as money. So it's like you just gotta, even though it's all the same, it is different at the same time. Damn that forehead, bro. We straight. That forehead do look crazy though, but we straight. Um, yeah, I'm probably gonna stay up, but I'm not gonna stream. Um, um, if I do win this trade before I leave, I turn the stream back on. If I don't win this trade before I leave, then when I do upload the video, check the description and I'm gonna put it either in the description or I'm gonna see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Cause for right now we ain't getting no volume. I do believe we are gonna get some volume here soon, but as of right now we aren't getting a lot of volume coming out of this. It is a forex pair. Odd USD do move slow. Um, but we do have those periods and times where we just fucking go crazy. I guess New York session isn't really going crazy right now. I guess that makes sense. But let's see. New York session, that's not really going crazy. This New York session came down and then reversed, took out London. Well, we didn't even take out London highs, but we ended up coming up here. Well, damn, we haven't even took out London highs. We're definitely coming up here to take out these London highs. I just have no doubt in my mind that we still in a selling point from the weekly, even though the weekly broke structure and did whatever it needed to do. We still haven't taken out any of these highs after, and we got to come back down here and take out these lows too. We got a lot of work to do. Like I said, I do believe this market and this trade is going to go up. It is taking its precious time, and it is, you know, doing whatever it's going to do. I can't help whatever it's going to do. My job is already done. I've already did my job. So the only thing I can do is just wait. That's the only thing I can do. I already placed my stop loss. Already placed my take profit. I love y'all boys. I'm finna play the game. Check the description if I win this trade or if I didn't win this trade. But this video will be uploaded. If not, before I go to work, after I go to work. I work tomorrow as well. So yeah. I love y'all boys. I'm out. I'm not finna get out this trade. I'm still in this trade, chat. I'm not finna get out this trade. It's gonna be a $500 trade if I win. It's gonna be a $300 trade if I lose. So I'll talk to y'all boys later. Hey, check the description. But that bitch going down right now. I'm not gonna lie, but I do believe that bitch is gonna flip. I love y'all boys. I'm out. All right, so my camera is a little delayed, but it's because I adjusted my room. As y'all can see, my bed isn't no longer behind me. I mean, it is behind me still, but it's not as how it was before. You get what I'm saying? My PC was over there, but now it's not no more. Let me just go ahead and show y'all this because I am finna go to sleep right before work. Yes, I still do work, but I did want to show y'all this because I did end up winning. Yeah, I was losing and shit like that, bro. I have not took a trade in a week and a half. Can y'all believe that? A fucking week and a half, chat. So with that being said, this was supposed to be a $500 day, but it ended up getting me out a little bit early, which I have no problem with that. I can live free with that in my head. I'm cool. The thing is that we have not took a trade in like a week and a half. We're not behind. We're not ahead. We right where we need to be. The trade setups that have been popping up for me has not been playing out. That's literally why I haven't been able to take the trades. Simply, literally, bro, it's literally so simple. The shit will pop up in front of me. I'll be like, okay, cool. All I gotta do is wait on this one, and then boom. When I'm waiting, it just doesn't happen. It'll go in the opposite direction or do something stupid where I'm like, yeah, you know what? I'm just not gonna trade this, and then when I don't trade it, nothing else pops up for the day, and I just don't have no trade for the day. Just simply today was just one of those days where it did pop up and everything popped up how it was supposed to. We didn't go under this swing how we were supposed to. We were connected to this 15-minute. We did get a 15-minute break, but we never broke this 5-minute swing. Luckily, because I was gonna call it a trade after breaking this 15-minute break. I was just gonna call it a trade, but I held on. Literally, the only reason I held on is because right after that 9 o'clock candle, we ended up getting a break of structure because of news, which I didn't even know we had news today, but luckily we did. I felt like market was going to turn around, but it was going to turn around very, very slowly. Luckily, we had news, like I said. We were going to turn around. News follows technicals, so sometimes news can be rad and just fucking give you a dick in the booty ad candle in the opposite direction. Sometimes you just can't help those days, but typically news follows structure. So if you are a structured trader, if you know how price moves, not to tell you to trade, uh, not trying to tell you to trade news, because don't. But if you already in a trade setup, then more than likely, probably 75% out of the fucking 25% or the 35% or the 30% or however you want to calculate it, out of the rest of the percentages, my nigga, it's like you're going to win if you had calculated your risk right, you calculated your risk to reward right, and etc. I love y'all boys. ZZ is out. I just wanted to show you that win. First win back. Have not took a fucking trade in like a week and a half. The last couple, like the last 3 trades, I lost. And that's simply because I was doing some shit that I really wasn't supposed to do. It feels good to be back. I love y'all boys. We are out.